Hello guys and welcome, it's your boy Clover. Today we'll be taking a break from making to discuss these absolutely important things I believe all students and even young graduates should make to earn some money in Cameroon and quite frankly anywhere else in the world. I was a student a year ago and I did most of these things myself, so hear me out. We are going to explore two main categories of things you should make to earn money as a student. The first set of things will be things which you should create for others, and the second set will be things to create for yourself to level up your personal brand. Let's discuss. For the first set involving things to make for others, for number one, we have flyers, banners, and brochures. If you have got a creative eye and love visual storytelling, graphic designing is a fantastic way to earn money. The best part, you don't need to be a professional designer to get started. Platforms like Canva make it super easy to design stunning flyers and banners, brochures, and even social media posts. Offering graphic design services is a great side hustle with high demand. I ventured into graphic designing on Canva a little bit late, but the ease of the platform made it super easy to adapt and grow. In a couple of months, I was designing publicity flyers for startups, designing cover pages for magazines, creating banners for businesses, and designing packaging. With your laptop, Canva's free digital templates, and your creativity, you are well on your way to earning about 150,000 francs a month. But don't be greedy at the start. Learn from your mistakes and even make some designs for free and take criticism and feedback with a smile and keep growing. The second one is 2D and 3D model designing, computer-aided design. For those more technically inclined, consider diving into computer-aided design. With free software like Fusion 360, you can design 3D models or 2D plans that can be used in various fields from architecture to product design. Fusion 360 is free and it's surprisingly intuitive once you get the hang of it. You can offer your design services to engineering students, architects, and even hobbyists. Studying mechanical engineering definitely gave me an upper hand in computer-aided design compared to someone looking to get into this based solely off of their passion. But there's nothing a bit of practice and dedication to the craft can't do to level up the playing field. My first exposure to a CAD gig was for a client who wanted me to design an electric vehicle base for an ongoing mobility project in the US. Luckily, we found awesome ways to discuss design changes, like Figma, where we could easily make notes and comment on design changes. And I see my computer engineering friends think to themselves like, what a waste of Figma's potential. I'm sorry guys. It was a challenge initially, especially when you have to not just design, but pay attention to design for manufacturability and assembly techniques, propose the right structural components, and so on and so forth. It was hectic at first, but I got the hang of it, and within months, this was one of my most lucrative side hustles. The skills I gained working on this project come in handy from time to time in projects I'm working on even today. So it was also a sort of investment in myself, I guess. The third thing to make, it's a mobile application, a website, or any digital service of your choice, coding and programming. If you are into tech, why not make it work for you? Creating websites or mobile apps is a highly valuable skill in today's digital world. With free resources like Scratch or Glitch for beginners and more advanced options like GitHub, you can start small and build your way up. You can also explore sub-niches like user interface and user experience design, front-end or back-end development. With businesses constantly looking for digital presence, there is a wealth of opportunities for these. I don't have much experience designing applications or websites. The last time I worked on app design was a 4-year object-oriented programming project where my partner and I had to design a vehicle monitoring system. It was nothing fancy, but it worked perfectly. I do, however, have really close friends who used to earn up to 500,000 francs monthly while still in school because of their programming and coding abilities. So please start solving someone's digital problem and earn your own cash. The fourth thing to make is a video. In an era where video content rules the internet, video editing is a skill that will always be in demand. You can easily pick up CapCut, a free video editing software that's both powerful and beginner friendly to start editing videos for YouTubers, for small businesses, or social media influencers. It's a great way to get your creative juices flowing while earning cash. My first ever public video was this ad I made on Canva promoting the Andal application. Since then, I have been paid for editing shorts and even getting a monthly paying gig for editing weekly for a YouTube channel centered around customs and taxes. I personally use CapCut for all my video editing, and the best part, you keep growing and getting better with each video. The fifth thing to make is content. Content creation is a gold mine for students. Whether it's starting your own YouTube channel, a blog, or even posting regularly on TikTok, documenting your passions can draw the right attention, leading to opportunities like brand deals, partnerships, and collaborations. You don't need fancy equipment, just start with what you have and see where it takes you. I have friends who kicked off their content creation journey some years back, and today they are sitting at over 1.5k subscribers on YouTube. I guess my only advice for you is just to get started. The seed opportunity here is providing a service. Not everything you make has to be a product. You can offer a service such as tutoring by sharing your knowledge with others in subjects you excel in, freelance writing and editing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork offer gigs for freelance writers and editors. Reselling online. You can buy items at a discount and sell them online for profit. It's what a lot of people are doing on WhatsApp these days. Social media management. If you know how to grow a following, businesses will pay you to manage their social media pages. As far as offering services go, tutoring was my go-to side hustle as an engineering student. So as a recap of things to make for others, flyers, banners, or brochures, which fall under the graphic design category, 2D or 3D models, which fall under the computer-aided design category, mobile app, websites, or digital services, which fall under programming and coding, videos, which fall under video editing, making content, which falls under content creation, and providing services, which can be tutoring, freelance writing or editing, reselling online, or social media management. Moving on to the second category, which basically involves things to make for yourself. Here we are talking about things which are vital to monitor your growth and track your progress, and also things which are vital for your personal brand. So the first one is a budget. You need to make sure you are managing the money you earn rightly. Creating a budget is a crucial step in personal finance that helps you track your income, expenses, and savings. It's the foundation for growing your earnings and ensuring you have money left over for what really matters. Now, there are numerous apps out there, but I personally use this free Google Sheet template because it allows me to customize it as my budgeting needs change. It really helps keep me accountable and gives me key metrics about my spending and saving trends for a particular month. The second thing to make for yourself is a CV. Every student needs a well-structured CV to showcase their skills and achievements. Even if you're just starting out, you can include volunteering experiences, internships, and school projects that highlight your capabilities. The third thing you need is a portfolio. A portfolio is just a CV for a very creative person. Whether you're a graphic designer, you're a writer, a photographer, or a coder, a portfolio allows you to showcase your best work to potential clients or employers. Tools like Canva make it easy to design a sleek and professional looking portfolio. I have made a video on portfolio design in Canva. You can check it out. The fourth thing to make some sort of social media presence. You have to pick up a social media platform that aligns with your career goals. For example, LinkedIn is perfect for networking with professionals, showcasing your skills, and staying up to date with job opportunities. Keep your profile polished and active. So as a summary of things you need for yourself, you need a budget, you need a CV, a portfolio, and some social media presence. So at the end of the day, there are countless things students can make to earn money, from providing valuable services to others to investing in themselves by building a solid personal brand. Whether you are designing, coding, editing, or creating content, every skill you pick up can open doors for financial freedom and future opportunities. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about using your time and talent wisely. Every skill you learn and every hustle you pursue will contribute to your personal and professional growth. Don't be afraid to start small, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one. Thank you.
Anyways, it's been your boy Clover, guys. Like and subscribe for more. See you all in the next one. Thank you.